Welcome back to Daily Transmission. Just kidding. Today, we're gonna try and fix the 4Runner. Alright, so we're starting here on the rebuild. We're doing some cleaning. So what do we have to do today?
We got lots of cleaning to do. We got to make sure that the surfaces where the water pump goes and all the gaskets and this and that touch, that they're nice and clean. So it's got to be a nice, smooth, clean surface so the gaskets seat and don't leak. And start putting parts together.
Awesome. Alright guys, so an update. It's been a little while. We got the water pump on. Filled it in with some sealer. And now we're screwing it in, getting ready for the thermostat. Yeah, it's really coming along. I'm super excited. Hiya, buddy. Hiya, buddy. Back, we got a lot of stuff put on. So we got the water pump way in there, but we've also added all this stuff.
Crankshaft pulley.
Yep.
Crankshaft pulley cover.
Everything.
Bolted on. Thermostat housing. New thermostat and gasket. Idler pulley. It's our timing belt. Idler pulley here. Here's the tensioner pulley. Camshaft sprockets are on and aligned. Timing belt is currently on the crankshaft, and we are going to line up all of our marks, and then we're going to get the timing shaft or the timing belt on. We're almost there. We just got to tighten up some bolts, and then we can do that.
Perfect.
Next chapter.
Day 2. Alright guys, we got an update. So we got the belt in now. We got everything set up. We got the bracket put on. We're gonna put the pulley back on. And then the next step is this cover. We're so close. Alright, update video after a while. After our second day of putting everything back together, we got pretty much the entire engine fully assembled. We filled it up with oil, filling it up with antifreeze as well. Anything else left we have to do?
We're going to disconnect the ignition so that it won't start. We just want to turn it over a few times so that the oil will circulate. Then we'll connect the ignition, the coil, and see if it starts. You ready?
I think so.
Oh, okay.
I'm just gonna turn the engine over.
We're just gonna turn it over and pump the oil a little bit.
All right.
And once it's done that, then we'll connect it.
All right.
Okay, stop video. Okay, you ready?
Yep.
Okay, we're gonna turn it over.
All right.
Okay, I'm gonna turn it over again.
Okay. start it up?
Let's see if it starts.
Can I start it up?
Moment of truth. Lord have mercy.
All right. Yeah! Woo! Running. Woo! Oh, it's rolling. That sounds horrible. We are in the 4Runner, and he is driving. We got it over here. Drove it around the block. Now we're going to take it back before it rains.
This walk is a little stiffer than I remember it.
Alright, there you have it. We fixed the 4Runner today and yesterday, but got it all done today. He runs now. We can drive him around whenever we need him to. Yeah. It was a pretty good time. I'm excited for some more videos with this guy. Anyway, like and subscribe. See you guys later.